So you think you got what it takes?
I'll tell you what I got. Your wife's pussy.
It's 2:47 a.m., January 1st. You're in your dark room wasting another night scrolling. Another day of telling yourself, tomorrow I'll change. But tomorrow never comes, does it? The truth is, your life is fucked. And if you don't unfuck your life now, you'll wake up 10 years from now in the same bed, in the same body, just older, but with the same regrets. This is not another feel-good motivational bullshit video that you'll forget in 5 minutes. This is a complete plan to change your life in just 14 days. So stop scrolling to the comments or checking your phone. Right now, just listen to what I'm about to tell you. Because if you follow what I'm about to show you, step by step, for 14 days straight, you'll kill the version of you that's been holding you back and finally meet the person you were meant to become. Let me ask you something. Why are you even here? Why are you waking up every day? What the hell are you moving toward? If your answer is just, I don't know, then you're just like 99% of people, walking around with a pulse in no direction. And that's exactly why your life feels meaningless. When a man has no target, every distraction becomes his master. You want to know why you keep falling off every self-improvement journey you start? It's not because you lack discipline. It's because you have nothing worth being disciplined for. Right now, grab a piece of paper. Don't wait. Don't just think about it. Actually write this down. One goal, one mission, something you will chase ruthlessly for the next 14 days. Of course, you can't become a millionaire in 14 days, but we can reset your brain to lead you to achieve your goals faster. So write a realistic goal. Pick something you'd be proud to say you tried, even if you failed. Now write it down, because this isn't a game anymore. This is your 14-day war. This is what nobody tells you. You're not lazy. You're just addicted to comfort. That's it. Discipline isn't some magical gene other people are born with. It's just a muscle. And right now, yours is weak as fuck. Every time you hit snooze, every time you skip the gym, every time you say, I'll do it later, you're training your brain to lose. You're literally programming your own failure. And then you wonder why you feel stuck. Because your mindset is soft. And now, your brain throws a tantrum the second something gets uncomfortable. But here's the good news. You can rebuild that mindset in 14 days. You can rewire discipline and willpower the same way you built weakness, one decision at a time. For the next 14 days, you're going to do one hard thing every single day on purpose. Doesn't matter what it is, cold shower or waking up early. It's not about the task, it's about the identity. Every time you do something hard, you harden the mind. That's how you reset your mindset, not by reading about it. There will be days you don't want to show up, days where your mind screams at you to quit. That's the test. That's the exact moment where you build or break. Winners do the shit they said they'd do, especially when they don't feel like it. That's the only mindset worth having. Let me guess. You wake up whenever your eyes open. You check your phone before you even brush your teeth. You drift through the day chasing dopamine. Then night hits, and you say, tomorrow I'll be productive. Tomorrow never fucking comes. Here's the brutal truth. If your life doesn't have a schedule, it will have chaos. That's why you can't focus. Because every day without structure is a day you fall behind. The solution is to ruthlessly systemize your day. You need to build a schedule that makes success automatic. Grab the same piece of paper you wrote your goal on. Write the exact daily routine that will make that goal inevitable. Write everything, hour by hour. What time are you waking up? When are you working? Write everything down. This isn't about becoming a productivity robot. It's about creating a life where you win by default. You're going to fail some days. That's part of it. But that's also where most people quit. They miss one workout, one deep work block, and they throw the whole routine away like cowards. That's not what we do here. You fall off, you get back on the very next day. A ruthless routine isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming dangerously consistent. You've read the books, watched the videos, even planned the goals and routine. But here's the part no one tells you. You're still gonna wake up one day and not want to do a single thing. Right now, there's a voice in your head telling you to just skip today. That voice is the reason your life is still stuck. That voice is the reason your dreams stay locked in your head while your reality looks like shit. Success isn't about motivation. It's about doing it anyway, even when you're tired, even when it's boring, even when nobody's watching. You think Navy SEALs are motivated? They just shut the hell up and do the work. You think world-class athletes love every workout? Put in the fucking work every single day until your weak self dies and the real you finally wakes up. You've got 14 days. Day 1 starts now. Now go, do the work.